Hello everyone. Today we're diving into the spooky spirit with these fantastic Halloween decorations indoor 2-pack, featuring 24-inch black trees illuminated by 24 vibrant purple LED lights, perfect for adding a touch of eerie elegance to your Halloween festivities. Each tree boasts 24 branches and 12 small spooky twigs, making them ideal for sprucing up your home, party, fireplace, dining table, or windowsill. With dual power options, you can choose between battery-operated or USB-operated modes, offering flexibility to place these trees anywhere you desire. The convenient timer function allows the lights to automatically turn on for 6 hours and off for 18 hours, ensuring energy efficiency and safety throughout the Halloween season. Crafted from durable PVC and electronic components, these trees are not only realistic but also reusable, with bendable twigs that let you customize your spooky decor. Whether you're decorating your fireplace, kitchen, tabletop, bedroom, or patio, these versatile Halloween tree lights create the perfect ambiance for any indoor or outdoor setting. Ideal for Halloween parties, bars, offices, and more, these trees are sure to enhance your Halloween experience with their enchanting glow. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.